The thing is, we're not alone. We never really have been.
My gosh. Bro, going against the wind. The wind's 120 knots to the west. Come on, big man.
And this reality isn't what we think it is. These beings want us to know that our existence is much more than these physical bodies. That we are all one with everything. And what we do to each other, we do to ourselves. Our planet is moving into a part of space that is exposing us to much higher frequencies of galactic energy. This is causing the severe weather changes we are seeing, increased earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and end-time madness. It's only going to get worse. Eventually, this galactic energy will lead to a pole-shifting solar flash, which will be a real wake-up call for humanity. Ultimately, this will be a good thing for us, but it's not going to feel like it at the time. We can have a more positive experience if we can raise our vibration quickly enough to match that of our planet moving through this high vibratory field of space. And that is exactly what this class is all about. Kindness, compassion, forgiveness, acceptance, selflessness, love, service to others. These are all the things that will raise our vibration.